A year ago, Adobe dropped a creative bombshell that shook the digital design world to its core: Firefly-powered Photoshop. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a full-blown revolution. Adobe fused Photoshop's precision with the mind-bending power of generative AI. It was like they handed us a magic wand and said, "Go wild." Welcome to NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. Firefly didn't just change the game, it created a whole new playing field. We're talking about creative superpowers that designers never knew they had. This was the moment when the impossible became the new playground. Imagine a tool so powerful it could transform a vague idea into a stunning visual with just a few words. A tool that could fill in complex backgrounds, generate unique textures, or even create entire scenes from scratch. That's the magic of Firefly. For years, designers dreamed of a world where their imagination was the only limit. With Firefly, that dream became a reality. It bridged the gap between concept and creation, turning hours of painstaking work into mere moments of inspired collaboration between humans and AI. When it launched, Firefly turned the design world upside down. It made the wildest creative fantasies look like child's play. The future didn't just knock, it kicked down the door, bringing a tsunami of creativity with it. From solo freelancers to major design studios, Firefly democratized high-end design capabilities. It leveled the playing field, giving everyone access to tools that once seemed like science fiction. And the result? An explosion of creativity that is still reverberating through the industry today. Ready to explore how Firefly revolutionized the creative process? Then let's start this video. Firefly made its grand entrance on May 23, 2023. A date destined to be etched in the annals of AI history. On this momentous day, Adobe infused Photoshop with a dash of creative AI magic, completely transforming the landscape of digital artistry. Let's be real, most launch dates come and go, but this one? It's the Beyoncé of launch dates. Unforgettable. Now, let's talk about Firefly Beta. Adobe launched this innovative playground into the digital universe to test our ability to generate art like a bunch of caffeinated pixies. Spoiler alert, we nailed it, producing a staggering 100 million images. And if you thought beta meant meh, think again. Millions of users love Adobe Firefly. Imagine a world where you type, "Create a unicorn surfing on a rainbow," and voila! A fantastical scene comes to life on your screen. Users share their experiences. Some created stunning masterpieces, while others made delightful whimsical errors. Firefly doesn't just promise, it delivers. So, what exactly is generative fill? Imagine a digital genie that not only grants your design wishes, but also anticipates your needs. Generative fill harnesses Firefly's AI to seamlessly complete images, fill in missing objects, or even transform skies. Need a breathtaking sunrise instead of a dull sky? Puff! It's like Photoshop on a creative caffeine high, buzzing with limitless possibilities. This isn't just another fancy feature. It is your new creative co-pilot, ready to turn your wildest ideas into reality in seconds. Picture this. You're a marketer tasked with creating a campaign, but lacking the perfect backdrop. Instead of wasting hours scouring stock photos, you simply describe your ideal scene, and voila! Generative fill delivers it. Time is saved, stress is reduced, and creativity is unleashed. Imagine opening Photoshop and wielding the magical wand of Firefly, which, by the way, is more than just glitter and sparkle. It's an AI powerhouse. Beta users who have experimented with this technology have produced an astounding 100 million images. That's not just a number, it's a creative tidal wave. So, how's the user experience? If feedback had a Rotten Tomatoes score, Firefly would be flaunting a solid 98%. Users are virtually doing cartwheels with joy, praising its remarkable intuition and ease of use. The real pièce de résistance lies in the creative possibilities it unleashes. Imagine summoning a surreal cosmic background or a charming cafe scene straight out of a movie with just a few prompts. Gone are the days of endless clicking and dragging. Now, it's like having a brainstorming buddy who also does the heavy lifting. With Firefly, you can ideate, experiment, and produce in a fraction of the time you would otherwise spend cursing at your monitor. This isn't the future. It's the magnificent, brilliantly convenient present. Now, let us talk about the bigger picture. Feeling the creative crunch? Spending endless hours switching between tools? Say goodbye to that because Adobe Firefly is already here to revolutionize your workflow with unmatched speed and precision. Imagine a world where your ideas come to life in minutes. That's the magic of Firefly. With this, speed and precision aren't just buzzwords. They're your new reality. Breeze through design tasks effortlessly, achieving pixel-perfect results every time. If you've ever wished for a clone to share your workload, Firefly is your creative twin. And if you ever longed for an extra pair of eyes to brainstorm and refine your work, meet your new best friend in Firefly. It is a practical ally that helps you ideate, explore, and create like never before. Imagine transforming your wildest concepts into visually stunning realities, with a genius partner who is always there to assist. It's like having a Photoshop wizard cousin who is available 24/7 and never judges your coffee-stained sketches. Still skeptical? Hear it from the creatives who've already experienced Firefly's magic. Jane, a graphic designer, reports that her productivity has doubled. Yes, doubled. Tom, a once skeptical photographer, says his workflow is now smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. These real-world testimonials, not just marketing fluff, showcase how Firefly is revolutionizing the creative landscape. Now, let us talk about the elephant in the room, shall we? You know, those nagging fears about AI taking over. Are the robots coming for our jobs? We hear you ask. But hang on, this isn't the tech doomsday scenario where AI turns into some job-destroying monster. Sure, some folks are sweating bullets, thinking Firefly might turn designers into glorified button pushers. But here's the kicker. Adobe swooped in with a message that's crystal clear. They're calling Firefly a creative co-pilot, not some job-gobbling Terminator. Adobe stance? It is all about teamwork. They're shouting from the rooftops that Firefly is here to jazz up your creativity, not steal your thunder. It is about kissing those mind-numbing tasks goodbye and diving headfirst into what you do best, creating magic. And let's be real, who wouldn't want more time for those epic coffee breaks we all claim are for brainstorming? The potential impact on the industry? It is enough to make your head spin. Picture this. Marketers, ad gurus, and graphic designers all riding this wave of supercharged efficiency and creative mojo. It's like the whole creative world just got an adrenaline shot. So here's to our new AI sidekicks. They might just be the secret sauce that makes us all shine brighter than ever. The potential of Adobe Firefly in Photoshop is like discovering a room full of untapped creative treasure. This groundbreaking AI integration doesn't just enhance our workflow, it supercharges it with rocket fuel and glitter. Accept innovative features, mind-bending capabilities, and the sort of tech wizardry that leaves folks wondering if Adobe has actual sorcery on the payroll. How about you? Have you tried Adobe Firefly? What are your thoughts about it? Don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next incredible chapter in our AI journey.